Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel Exploring Sabri. In this video, I am going to show the process how we can make liquid compost fertilizer for any types of plants. So just let's see the process. First of all, take a handful vegetable piece into a blender. Yeah. Yes. So then powder here 50 ml water, that is half liter water. So now blend it. Stop it. Now we can use this for any types of plants. So viewers, I hope that after watching this video, you can use these types of liquid compost fertilizer, and you can use it any sorts of plants, and your plants will grow better. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.